And welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be explaining how to download a Blogger template, use the template basically to install into your blog and edit or modify the theme. So first thing first, I'm gonna go and just I got a couple of Blogger templates. They are free. There's so many sites that they provide basically free templates. So the one kind of I like is this over here. So I'm just gonna go and view it first. So if you this is the Blogger template, but of course including content and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and download this template. So let's just go and download. Okay, I'm going to save it to my hard drive. All right. So once I've done that, now I'm going to have to unzip that. You can just basically open, then drag and drop the file. The one we're going to need is just the XML file. Okay, so I'm going to just close down and delete this. We won't need it. Now all you're going to do is just select all and then copy the file. Sometimes the XML file may open with different type of formats. So all you're going to do is just go right click and then open with, you can open with the notepad. That's the easiest way basically to open, because all you're going to need is just to copy that. Okay, so now you log into your blog. Just type in blogger.com and then you log in, or just go like that. I'll show you. Okay, so Blogger, the first link is going to be blogger.com, so click on that. If you have already a blog, just go to themes, click on edit HTML. All right, so once it's open, sometime I may need to just reload. Yeah, so the whole script basically is going to show up, so as it shows now. So select it. Since we have copied the theme basically we want to use, or template we want to use, now all I need is just paste, and then I'm going to click on save theme. This is the old version so far, so I'm going to change this. All right, so let's go to layout and reload. We just want to reload basically to make changes. And as you can see, now we have a different type of theme. So let's just refresh our blog and see how it looks like. And this is what we have so far. Those is all about basically how to upload theme. Now, how to modify. Example, many people they say, "Oh, how can I change a menu or something?" You know, in a menu, go to the headers. That's the header section, sorry, and this is the menu. So, how to add stuff into the menu? It's easy. Now, add the external link, and I'm just gonna paste. Example, you can post. You can paste here a particular post. So to do that, just go and view the URL of the post, and I'm going to show that in the next video. And then paste the URL here and just name that example particular post like buy my product or view my product. Okay, so then you paste the link here when the product is basically when the user click, they will go there, and then save the link. Once you do that, basically it will start showing to the menu, which means it will start showing in here. We can do a test right now. Example, I'm just gonna add another link. So I'm gonna type in product. Okay, and I'm not gonna add anything here at the moment because I haven't got any link about my product. So click on save. Now we have home and we have a product, and then I'm gonna click on save. So let's just refresh. So far we just have home. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh it or reload. Now we have a home and we have a product. So when user they click, they should go to the product page. What does it mean product page? You can go and just publish a new page if you want to, or you can we got a page here, you can publish new page and you can add all the HTML code and everything else for user to buy your product. They can go to a PayPal or any other website they want to use basically for payment gateway, and user will buy from there. Or you can use a post, and you can create a post using HTML and everything else same as the page, and user they can click and buy from your post. You can do both sides anyway. So here we have so far how to edit. Example, many people they say in footer area we want to edit so and so, you know, the credit and all that. So it's easy basically when it comes to that. Just go to themes, Again, we're gonna have to go to HTML. This is the HTML area. So example, if you don't know how to find the code yourself, come up here and just click on example powered by. Okay, so then what we do here, we basically hold the CTRL on your keyboard, and then while you are holding, also select the F. So once you do that, you'll see the search bar sort of open within the code itself. So now we're gonna just paste followed by and then hit enter on your keyboard. Once you do that, it takes you straight away basically to the text, and it highlights as well. So in this case, if you want to change the URL, which means this is the URL, once user they click on Blogger, they will go here. Example, this is Blogger. You can name my website. Example I'm giving, and then type in here my website example is https and then is oxcost.com, like this, and then I'm gonna save theme. Okay, so that's I'm saving the first part, which is this part here. So let's just reload one more time, and then now we can see my website. So once we click, we go directly into the website itself. So this is how you work sort of with HTML within a Blogger. And then you go the other code, you know, copyright code, and you can paste the URL here. You can change the title of, you know, so a user they see it before they click it, and this is how it goes on with the rest. Okay, so that's how you sort of change the HTML code, something that you want within a blog itself. Okay, many people, the Adsense code, I'm going to describe that as well. Adsense code normally goes just after the head. So you do that, you hit enter a couple of times, and you can paste the Adsense code here if you want, which means the Adsense will show at the top, right at the header basically. So it will show at the top. And most times it can work for mobile use. I'm also going to explain one more thing that many people they say, oh, how can I make sometime ads may not show in mobile phones and some other platforms. Um, so what do I do? In that case, you click on the settings and you go a couple of options. Well, not a couple of options, you got two options. One, you can leave it as default, and another one you can say no, I want basically this particular theme to show as desktop theme on a mobile device, which means the ads will start showing if you are using some advertisement and stuff. So once I do that, you'll see the change has been made. And again, if you view the blog using a mobile, it will show in the right way anyway, so you won't have any issue. Okay, so for more, I'm gonna create another video and explain in details about how to work with other stuff within a blog. So tune up, or shall I say subscribe, because I'll be uploading more videos. Thank you.